Okay, let's go over how to add employees to your accounts payable system. So I'm going to go right into vendor file maintenance, and we're going to hit vendor file maintenance. And obviously, if my employee was in the system, we would just select them. I'm going to say add new. I'm going to hit the enter key. Now, vendor number. If you have a certain number that you want to use, by all means, key it in. If you do not type in a vendor number, the computer will just assign the next available number. This is how you want it to be sorted. So maybe that's where I want it sorted. Now, categories, strictly for reporting. Obviously, you may want to just put in, these are all my employees, but I can get a listing and get information just on employees by doing a category report. Name, obviously the address. And there again, we have our zip code file, so it'll automatically fill that in if I can type it in right. Okay. Obviously this stuff here doesn't need to be filled in, but it's much better if you do. Now, as of right now, this is pretty much all we really need to do, except two things. You'd want to go down here. Now, if I select this with my mouse and it's blank, it's going to give me a lookup. And it's going to show me all my multi-GL codes, and I can pick the payroll one that I want. If I know what the code is, I can just tab down and type in pay. So it knows that, okay, I want to use my GL postcode called pay. If I want to see what that looks like, I can click on it. And there again, if it was blank, it would give me a blank screen, and then I would want to do the lookup, or I could create my pay general ledger template right from here. The important thing is this right here. This is the code that we're using. That matches up to what's going to be in that multi-code field. Now also, if I want to keep other information for my employees, maybe I want email addresses, maybe I want cell phone numbers, things like that, there again, they would be in your custom fields where you would put in an email address if you want to be able to have email addresses for your customers and any other information that you would want to keep that's not on that first screen. Once you've put in all your appropriate information, it's as simple as just saying add. Now it's in there. Now you'd go in, and if you had 10 employees, you'd go through the exact same process 10 or 15 times. It's quite simple. Okay. Any other questions on adding employees? Just give us a call. Our support staff are here waiting to serve you. Have a great day.